Hey guys, what's happening? And welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Laura Hoggins, also known as Biceps, and I'm going to talk you through what I eat in a day. So I'm a busy personal trainer, working from 6 a.m. maybe to 9 p.m. at night. So important I get the right level of macro and micronutrients into my diet. I'm usually training at about 6 a.m. I'm likely to have something carb-based. I've got my porridge here, bananas, almond butter, oat milk, lovely. Mid-morning, maybe after a couple of clients, I'll go for a snack, 2 rice cakes with some almond butter. Then here is the main event. For me, it's so important to get that high protein. Eggs is a great way of getting those vitamins and minerals in. This sweet potato and asparagus frittata is insane. Then later on in the evening, I'm going into something a bit basic, but still high protein, cod and veg. And then if I need a little snack at the end of the day, I've got carrots and hummus. So there you have it, everything I eat in a day.